Sous vide cooking has many benefits. Most of them fall into two categories: food benefits and operational benefits. Let's go through the food benefits first. Cooking sous vide achieves perfect doneness, ensuring that foods are never over or undercooked. This reduces waste of expensive food product. Cooking sous vide reduces shrinkage, thereby increasing yield, as foods are not subjected to excessively high cooking temperatures during the process. Secondary cuts of meat that are more flavorful can be purchased at a lower price by an operator and cooked unattended to be as tender as more expensive product. This saves on food costs and labor costs. The sous vide cooking method retains vibrant colors, aromas, and nutrients because foods are not subjected to ambient factors that would otherwise destroy them. As previously discussed, there are some operational benefits to sous vide cooking as well. For example, sous vide provides perfect portion control and inventory control. You can cook exactly what you need and you know exactly how much you have. Through a combination of precise temperature cooking, pasteurizing, quick cooling, and good cold storage, many foods can be prepared far in advance. This comes at minimal or no compromise to the quality of the food product. The sous vide technique complements other cooking methods to overall simplify their process and reduce ticket times. Implementing the sous vide technique requires minimal training. This is why we've had tremendous success in healthcare, quick service, budget lodging, and other sectors where culinary excellence is not the core competency of the employees.